So today I'm going to show you guys how to make vegetable enmoladas, which are enchiladas. Instead of using a chili-based sauce, I'm going to use a mole negro with a little bit of sesame. Enmoladas are similar to enchiladas, and they just pack a crazy flavor punch, and you can make them in literally 5 minutes. My aunt had a restaurant in Guadalajara for about 40 years. So since I was a very young child, I learned the passion of food and what it could do and what the happiness it can bring at a very young age. Instead of deep frying my tortillas, I just put a little bit of neutral blend oil so I can get a pliable tortilla. My experience on Top Chef Mexico was night and day to my experience in Top Chef US. Both incredible experiences, both made me the person that I am today. So here I have my very hot pan that I'm going to saute my vegetables in, and they are just dressed in a little bit of a pumpkin seed dressing. We have sunchokes, potatoes, romanesco, and carrots. So that's just going to go in a flash. Top Chef Mexico was a lot of me and coming back to the basics of my culture. And I just want to warm them through, so when they stuff them inside the tortilla, they're also just going to have the warmth. Nothing worse than a cold center in an enchilada. El Jardín is what they call a passion project. It's a very personal project, and it has real faces behind the dishes and inspired by stuff I grew up with, people I know, art that I love. So here, just like you would any protein filling, you want to go ahead and put the filling in the center of the tortilla. And the reason why you fry your tortillas is if they were not cooked, at least partially, you wouldn't be able to roll them, they would crack. This is my plate, and I'm gonna go ahead and transfer them onto here. You know your mole is perfect when it has that sheen and it's very, very silky. And now I like to pair the enmoladas with a little bit of an herb vegetable salad next to it, and we have beautiful vegetables and herbs in our garden. So we have some shiso leaves, we have some fava bean leaves, cilantro, we have jamaica leaves, a little bit of kale, and our little honey vinaigrette dressing, which is also, it's tart, spicy, has acid, some pickled red onions. Just toss that together. And this cuts through the thick, rich flavor of the mole. Just like to put those two together like that. For a super simple and quick garnish, I have black sesame seeds, and here I have a 10-month aged piece of cotija de denominación, which means that it is from the origin of cotija. Similar to a Parmesan cheese, it's extremely rich, dried in caves in Michoacan. And there you have beautiful, healthy Valentine's Day celebration dinner. Enjoy.